Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is all about beginner's makeup kit. I have done how to choose your foundation and how to choose the right makeup brush for yourself. Today I thought let's do the beginner's makeup kit because a lot of you requested for that, and over here are products which are not only suitable for beginners but also they are like some amazing products for everyone. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Before I start with this video, I want to tell you guys that this video is in collaboration with my lovely friend Vartika from Look Gorgeous. Also, towards the end of this video, I have a huge giveaway and one of you will win all of these things. Like, exciting, right? These are some amazing stuff, and by the way, all of these stuff are from Affordable Makeup Store India. You can check it on Instagram, and I'm doing this, guys, because I need a little bit of help from you guys, and since you guys will be helping me, obviously there's something called return gift. The rules for participation, or the thing that I need from you guys, is that first, obviously you'll have to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, you will have to watch 5 of my videos, like full, okay? You can't just watch a little bit and then leave it. You have to watch 5 full videos of mine. You can even watch more than 5, and then you have to share my videos. You can do that, that's optional. Yes, efforts will be counted this time. I'll do another giveaway once I reach my, my 1000 sub in a year criteria and 4000 hours watch time criteria. I'll do another one because again I'll have to thank you guys once again. So I just need this much from you guys. Please, before 20th February, guys, please help me out in reaching my goal. Please share it with your friends, ask them to subscribe and watch my videos like completely, at least 5 of my videos. So towards the end of the video we'll see what are the things, but right now let's get started with the video. The thing that you need is primer, and for primer I have 2 options for you guys. Both of these are my favorite. One is by Miss Claire. This is a Miss Claire makeup primer. It's a transparent primer, and one is by PAC. This is the PAC Pore Primer. If you guys have watched my makeup favorites video for the year 2017, you guys know I love it. So these 2 are amazing for beginners as well as for anyone. I use these constantly, and for primer I recommend these 2, and all the names of the products will be in the description box, as well as the rules for the giveaway. Then second, we have foundation, and for foundation I have 3 options for you guys. You can just buy any. So the first one is this one. This is the L'Oreal Matte Magique 12 Hour Foundation. This is the foundation. I love it. It's like a hot pink packaging and it gives you a complete powder matte finish. If you're oily skin, you will love this. The other 2 that I have, one is from PAC. This is the PAC Foundation HD Liquid Foundation, and the other one is Maybelline Fit Me. This is a cult favorite, and also the PAC foundation, you guys, it's amazing. It's like skin-like but full coverage. 2 things are not even supposed to meet each other, but this like full coverage as well as skin-like. Like, every time I wore this foundation, everyone was like, are you even wearing something on your face? It's actually 3.0. I got 3.5 and it's like way darker than me and it oxidizes like crazy. But this has like a huge shade, and if you are confused with your PAC shade, you can just message them on Instagram. They instantly reply you. Just make sure you tell them your MAC shade or your Maybelline Fit Me shade, and they'll help you out. Then we are done with that. Then also, if you are like someone who likes color correcting or has a lot of acne spots or something, then you can go for color correcting. The green one is for your red marks or acne marks. There's this peachy corrector. Then there is sort of an orange corrector. These 2 will work amazing for any darkness. And then we have a highlighter shade. Again, will highlight a lot of points on your face. So this is the one. This is by Wet n Wild and it's very inexpensive. Wet n Wild, by the way, is very inexpensive. So this is the one, and I really like it. So if you're someone as a beginner or as anyone who loves color correcting, then you can definitely try this out. Then for concealer, I have again 3 options. I'm sorry, I can't just have one because like one is not enough when it comes to makeup, right? So the first one is obviously a favorite, Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade medium 25. There's a medium moin. So then I have, again, this was in my yearly favorites, actually these 2. So this one is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Wet n Wild, by the way, is cruelty free and is again very inexpensive. And my shade is medium Tawny, and I love this foundation, guys. Check this out, love it. And my third one is I actually got the neutralizer shade today. I couldn't find my medium one. I have a lot of shades from this one. I love this. This is the H2 concealer by Maybelline. Finally it is in India. Also, I quickly want to mention this one. This is like Oilivia Pan Stick. The review link is in my description box. So this is amazing full coverage, and this has been here since I think a mom's time or something, or even longer than that. Powders, you can go for the Maybelline Dream Satin powder, or you know, there are like so many compacts. I have a review of a lot of compacts on my channel, and even the L'Oreal Matte Magique compact. Those are like amazing. Maybelline Super White Stay Compact, it's amazing. Not the white thing, but the compact in general is amazing. But I have been more of a you know, like loose powder person lately. So this is the powder. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder. This is a banana powder, and this is almost like a drugstore version of the Ben Nye banana powder. And if you are looking for something transparent, then you can try out Oriflame loose powder. You can even try out Bharat & Doris loose powder. I think I'm in number 7. And then there are a lot of brands that make transparent loose powder, but you know, for baking and for just, you know, just setting your face lightly, you can go with this. This is amazing. Then we have highlighters, and this is like In Color Baked Highlighter in the shade 01 High Beam. I have a review on this. I've mentioned it in my yearly favorites and I love it. It's like amazing. Let's get it finally, and it was on a sale, and I just received it this morning and instantly fell in love with it. It's like, you know, it feels like butter when you touch it, and it gives that blinding glow. Like, can you see my glow? Like, do you like my glow? So yes, this is what I'm wearing today. This is a Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. So I love this. Like, this is amazing, you guys. You guys need to try this out, and look at the band size. So I love this. Blush, I've been constantly using this one. This one is the Makeup Revolution Blushing Hearts, and you'll see a lot of Makeup Revolution stuff out here, but the brand Makeup Revolution, I think it's amazing. They're doing like great job. This has 3 colors, and these are like, you know, sort of glittery blushes. These don't have a crazy, you know, chunky sort of a glitter, but it looks so beautiful on the skin, you guys. But if you're someone who likes matte blushes, you can go for Maybelline Color Show blushes, or you know, cheeky color blushes. They're amazing, but I have been loving this one, and I think as a beginner it's amazing because. And then for bronzer, I have, again, I'm so sorry you guys, for bronzers, actually, you know, like Indian market, I didn't see too many, you know, affordable good bronzers, and even if they're good, you know, they have that very reddish undertone. So I had to pick this one up. This is again by Makeup Revolution. I'm really sorry you guys, but I'm just obsessed with that brand. Like, do you guys have an obsession with a certain brand at certain point of time? Right now for me, I think it's Makeup Revolution. So this is the bronzer, and it's actually a fancy packaging. When you open it, it comes with a puff. I don't know why would you use a puff for your bronzer, and then you have to peel the sticker off from here so that you can, you know, reveal a mirror. So for face setting spray, makeup setting spray, I love this one. It is like empty almost, and my second one is my vanity. This is the Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. This is amazing, you guys. It makes your makeup look flawless, and this is pretty close to MAC Fix Plus, but it's not dewy, okay? But this is amazing. Like, I love it. So if you're a beginner, you should have this, and it's quite a good size. And right now actually they have a sale on Makeup Revolution, so you definitely should check out that. A lot of eyeshadows, you know, a lot of brands have come out with eyeshadows in India especially, but I don't recommend, you know, like small pans. You can totally go ahead and buy that, but that's like more of a hassle. But personally for me, like, I love this, and I had almost forgotten about it. This was like almost at the back of my vanity. This is by Savannah Colors, and I used to love this. I remember back in 2015, I think they tried, you know, recreating something like the Urban Decay palettes. So there you go, and it's called the Earth Tone palette or something. It's in the shade 02, and there you go. Look at the neutral colors. It comes with a huge mirror, by the way, but look at the colors, you guys. It's the black, and it has all the colors you would need for almost everything, I think. So it's amazing, and this was very inexpensive. I don't remember the price, but I'll definitely link it in the description box. For the other eyeshadow, you guys should definitely check this one out, or the small quads out. This is again by Sugar Cosmetics, and I think again I had shown this in my makeup favorites 2017, and it has again a huge mirror, and look at the colors, you guys. You guys need to watch my makeup favorites of 2017. You will like find a lot more suggestions. So this is the color, like these are the colors rather, and all of them are like crazily pigmented, not only when you swatch it but even when you apply it. Absolute two favorite product for brows. The first one is this one by Miss Claire. It's a Miss Claire brow pencil. It's waterproof and it's in the shade 02 dark brown, and today I've done my brows with this one and I love it, like I really love it. And also there's this product by Sugar, and this has been my AG product I think for the past a lot of months. So this is like a Sugar Arch Arrival something brow definer, a shade Jerry Brown, and it's like amazing. So it comes with a spoolie which is like amazing. Both of these products by the way comes with a spoolie or a brush of its own, so that is why I'm recommending it especially for beginners. Got you guys sorted. So the first gel liner, and one of the best gel liners ever, like in the drugstore category, is the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner. It's amazing. It comes with its own brush and the brush is also amazing by the way. So you should definitely try that out if you haven't yet, or if you're just starting off in makeup and you needed something. This is amazing. Then for kajals, I love two. I'm loving rather two right now. One is by Wet n Wild. This is just the Wet n Wild kajal. You can see it out here and it's a huge kajal. So you'll go a long way, and it's very creamy, very pigmented. And also this one by Miss Claire. This is a Miss Claire kajal. It's waterproof. This one is very smooth and this one feels like a gel liner on your eyes. I love it. And also for liners, I have three out here. First is this one. You can try out any Maybelline pen liner. If you're looking for a good pen liner, you can try out any Maybelline pen liner. I just picked up the Gigi Hadid pen liner because I really like the liner. Like, it's very pigmented. Any Maybelline liner is amazing, so I picked up this one. This is how it is. I have a full review on this collection, so make sure you watch that. And also I have these two liners, and this is again, these two are like amazing. The first one is this one. This is by the brand Me Now, and it comes with a stamp on one side and liner on the other, and this is like so cute and this is like really quirky. So there's this liner from Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and it's super matte and super black, and I love it, you guys. And the tip is just amazing. I think this was just $2.99 or something, so there you go. I love it. I have mascara, and for mascara I have two things. One is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which is amazing. If you haven't ever tried this, you just need to go out right now, like pause this video, go buy it, and then you watch the rest of it. This is like amazing, like it's that amazing. So the the brush is like it has a fan effect, so it gives you that false lash look. So I love this one. And then I have this one by Rimmel. Again, these two, like all of these stuff, most of them are like really affordable if you really have to compare with great makeup. And then I have this one by Rimmel. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes, and this is how it is. The packaging looks super cute and it's an amazing mascara. Gives crazy volume and length to your lashes. Lip liners, I have these. I actually have like lipsticks I love. I am not including my Miss Claire soft matte lip creams because those are just amazing. You should be having that even if you're not a makeup person, even if you don't want to build a kit. But the Miss Claire lip liners are amazing. I think the shade Floral Pink L27 is such a beautiful, pinkish sort of a neutral color. I really like it. And or else you can also go with the Essence lip liners. Man, they're always out of stock, so if you ever see them in stock, make sure you grab them and also let me know, because even I want to have all of them. I have three shades. I've just picked two. One is in the shade Red Blush. I also have, I think, Cute Pink, and one is in the shade in the nude. So these two are the colors, and these are so good. These are like butter smooth. You guys, 165 or 120 or something, and when they're on a discount, they're for 65 rupees, like just 65 rupees each. So these are the lip liners. And then again for lipsticks, like I think most of us have our favorite lipsticks from Maybelline. So I have these three, like two from the Loaded Bowls collection. One is Raspberry Rendezvous and the other one is Chocoholic. So Chocoholic is a beautiful, chocolate brown color. Raspberry Rendezvous is like this. It's a beautiful color, like it's suitable for all skin tones. It's like amazing. It looks very, very, very pretty on anyone and everyone. I have this color. It's a very neutral color, and it's in the shade Touch of Nude, and this is how it is. And this is something that I wear actually every day. And then we have our liquid lipsticks, because we need to have liquid lipsticks in 2018. So the first one is by PAC Retro Matte. Glosses are amazing, like they are amazing. and you need to try them out, guys. My favorite shade is 08 and also 11 and also 24. This liquid lipstick, one of you had suggested me to try it out from I think ADS, and the color was like so gorgeous on the lips. So you can try it out if you like you know, if you don't want to spend so much on lipsticks. You can also try out Bella Boste, you know, perfect lip gloss. I actually received this in my Glamigo January box and I love it. You guys should again go and watch that video. This looks so amazing and stunning on the lips. I love it. And obviously glosses are coming back, like the trend of glosses are coming back, so you need to have at least one lip gloss in your kit. That was all for my beginner's makeup kit, you guys. I hope you guys really liked it, and please help me reach that 4,000 hours watch time, and you know, make sure you subscribe and please share and ask your friends and everyone to subscribe. It'll really matter. One will be giving, you know, lots of effort will be the winner. Now let's see what are the products that we have for the giveaway.
So here we have full huge makeup kit ready. The first product is Amalio 24-hour matte finish oil free primer, which is a silicone based and is really smooth and nice on skin. Then we have dullness corrector pen. And then after that we have Swiss Beauty Flawless Finish Foundation, eyebrow pencil, nude matte eyeshadow palette from Miss Rose, which has beautiful nude colors, perfect for beginners. Then if you want to play with eyeshadow, then we have metallic rose gold shimmer eyeshadow as well. And with that said, we have metallic greenish shimmer eyeshadow as well, and on the back of that we have one beautiful sketch eyeliner, a lovely matte look push-up mascara, and for completing the eye makeup definitely we need some eyelashes and eyelash glue as well. Now for blending in the makeup and everything like that, we need to have one beauty blender. Blush is really important to get the beautiful rosy cheeks, and also highlighter is important to get that glow. So here is the Swiss Beauty baked blusher and highlighter. And with that said, we have a Neon High Beam liquid illuminator as well in the shade Sunbeam, which is a beautiful silver pinky shimmer liquid illuminator. You can use it as a base for your makeup, or otherwise you can use it as highlighter as well. And makeup needs to be set up with a beautiful compact, and here we have a Larry Rhoda matte compact, which is with SPF 34 PA+++, and also a nice green tea makeup fixer from Kiss Beauty, which almost has no chemicals in it, or very less chemicals you can say. And every beginner need one lip balm. So here's a double-sided lip balm. One side has shimmer and one side is matte kind of lip balm, so as to moisturize your lips. And for lipsticks, we have MN Kiss Proof lipstick in the shade 01, which is a beautiful nudish pink shade with hint of shimmer but is a matte lipstick. And then we have Glam 21 lipstick, and it is in the shade nude. And then we have Hang Fang lipstick in the shade pink, ADS Wine lipstick in the shade mauvish purple. Then we have orange lipstick from Kiss Beauty matte flat finish pigment, then a nice red lipstick from Steel Paris as well. So this accounts to a nice beautiful full makeup kit, which is good enough for beginner or even for a professional makeup artist, as it has almost all the makeup products which one can need.
For the things that I'm giving out, so this giveaway will run till the 19th of February, so you guys can do it. And yes guys, I hope you guys like this video. Let's participate in the giveaway. Don't forget to leave a comment below so that I know that you have participated. Also, when you're watching those 5 videos or more than 5 videos, then go and comment on each of the videos so I know that you're watching them. Okay, so please do that guys. And I know it's a little, you know, this time the rules are a little, you know, more, but I need it guys, so please help me out. And yes, don't forget to check out Bhartika's channel and her video as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care. I love you all. Bye bye.